Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi A5 battery. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Always disconnect the negative terminal first to avoid any accidental short circuits. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before you begin any work. This ensures a safe environment for the entire process. Now, let's locate your Audi A5's battery. It's usually situated in the trunk, often beneath the floor panel or spare tire cover. Once you've found it, use a 10mm wrench to loosen and remove the negative terminal, followed by the positive. Then, carefully unfasten the hold-down bracket that secures the battery in its tray. Lift the old battery out, being mindful of its weight. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully lower the new battery into the tray, ensuring it sits snugly and is properly oriented. Reattach the hold-down bracket to secure it. Next, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Make sure all connections are tight and secure to prevent any power interruptions or loose contacts. After installing the new battery, reassemble any trunk components you removed, like the floor panel or trim pieces. Double-check all your connections one last time to ensure everything is secure. Now, start your Audi A5 to confirm the new battery is working properly and that all electrical systems are functioning as they should. If you're looking for a great way to enjoy your favorite books, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.